Hello friends, I want to give you information about the Passover holiday. Passover, also called Passover in Hebrew, is an important Jewish holiday celebrated on the 15th day of the Jewish month Nisan. The name Passover comes from the Hebrew word, Pesach, which means, pass by, or, jump over. It commemorates the liberation of Jews from Egyptian slavery and reminds them of their right to live freely. Passover is celebrated according to Jewish tradition. The celebration begins with a traditional dinner called Seder. Seder is a meal filled with a series of prayers, songs and stories read from a book called Haggadah and follows a specific ritual. The meal is served with traditional foods such as unleavened bread called matzoh, wine, and other traditional dishes. During Passover, Jews eat unleavened food and avoid food with seeds. This is to commemorate the unleavened bread that the Jews ate when they fled Egypt because they did not have time to leaven. Passover also serves as an opportunity to commemorate Jewish slavery in Egypt and to respect human rights. The Passover is one of the most important Jewish holidays and, like other important holidays of the Jewish calendar, throughout the year reflects Jewish life from a religious, cultural and historical perspective. Contribute to enrichment. Thank you for watching.